Children, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are doing the topic degrees of adjectives in grammar. Do you know what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe the quality, quantity, and number of a noun. You have already done this. For example, this room is big. How is the room? What is the quality of the room? The room is big. So, big is an adjective. Now, what are the degrees of adjectives? Why we use them? We use degrees of adjectives to compare the quality of two or more nouns. Why we use degrees of adjectives? To compare the quality of two or more nouns. There are three types of degrees. One, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. And third is superlative degree. First, positive degree means simple quality. We are just describing the quality of a noun. There will be no comparison. For example, this room is big. Second, comparative degree. Here, we use this degree to compare a noun with the other noun. For example, this room is bigger than my room. Means if I have two rooms in my home, I have two rooms. So I said this room is bigger than mine or my room. कि ये वाला रूम जो है मेरे रूम से बड़ा है. तो देयर आर द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू रूम्स. थर्ड, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इट इज़ यूज्ड टू कंपेयर मोर देन टू नाउन्स. जब हमें दो से ज़्यादा नाउन्स का कंपैरिजन करना है देन वी यूज़ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट रूम. For example, in my home, there are many rooms, 4 or 5 rooms. So this is the biggest room. सभी चारों पांचों rooms में से ये वाला room सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा है. तो there is comparison between 4 or 5 rooms. So here we use superlative degree, that is biggest. Now, formation of degrees. How we form the degrees? Positive to comparative and superlative. First rule is by adding er or est. With some words we just add er or est in comparative and superlative degree. For example, bright. Bright के साथ we add er for comparative and est for superlative. So then our degrees will be positive bright, comparative brighter, and superlative brightest. Second rule, by adding IER or IEST. When we add IER or IEST, the words that ends with Y, we drop Y and add IER or IEST. वो वर्ड्स जो Y से एंड होते हैं, कितने सारे वर्ड्स हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैप्पी. हैप्पी एंड्स विथ Y. तो वी कट Y and add IER in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, 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 it ends with Y. So we just drop Y and add IER, prettier, and add IEST, prettiest. Third rule, by doubling the last letter and add ER or EST. When we double the last letter, the words in which last letter is preceded by a single vowel means लास्ट लेटर से पहले, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन बिग, लास्ट लेटर क्या है? जी। तो लास्ट लेटर से पहले अगर वॉवल आ जाता है, व्हाट इज वॉल? AEIOU, वी हैव 5 वॉल्स इन इंग्लिश। तो अगर वॉल आ जाता है लास्ट लेटर से पहले, तो व्हाट वी डू? वी जस्ट डबल द लास्ट लेटर एंड add ER or EST. Like in big, there is I before G, so we just double the G and add ER or EST. Big, bigger, biggest. इसी तरह नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हॉट। हॉट में what is how T is preceded by O. O is a vowel, so we double the letter T. Hot, hotter, hottest. Next rule, if word ends with E, अगर word के लास्ट में only E है तो we just add R or ST. We never write double E. For example, simple. Simple is a word that ends with E. So no need to add ER. We just add R in the comparative degree and ST in the superlative degree. So our degrees will be simple, simpler and simplest. Last rule, the words having 2 syllables. 2 syllables words में, जिन words में 2 syllables होते हैं, we add more or most. For example, faithful. Faithful is a word that is built by 2 syllables, faith plus full. तो इनका comparative and superlative degree form करते टाइम what we do? We add more and most. More faithful, most faithful. इसी तरह next example, careful. 2 syllables are there, care plus full. We add more careful and most careful. I hope you understand the concept of degrees of adjectives. If you have any confusion, you can call me. I'm always there to help you. Thank you.